How to send photos in TikTok message. So if you want to send photos in TikTok, then open up your TikTok. And then after opening your TikTok, on the bottom right corner, you will have an inbox option. Tap on inbox. And here choose a chat that you would like to send photos. So now if you want to send photos in TikTok Messenger, then you don't have that option here. The only way you can do is you go back and then tap on the plus icon, which is on the middle bottom of the screen, and then tap on upload and choose a photo that you would like to send. And then from here you can tap on next, and after that you can tap on post. And now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and you can see your post here. So after opening your post, on the bottom right corner you will have a three dots icon. Tap on that, and then you can choose the person that you would like to send, and then you can tap on send. And that's it. That's how you send photos in TikTok Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.